Juttu menee sillä, että me tullaan alkuun teille siikakeittopöytään, jonka jälkeen yksi pöytä kerrallaan kutsutaan tänne tulen ääreen. Jälkiruoksi läppisiä, lakkoja ja kermavaahtoa. Tervetuloa kaikki!
What did she say?
She told what the menu is going to be tonight. It's going to be typical Lappish foods.
So now you have to tell me everything, eh?
I will. Sausages made of reindeer meat, pickled cucumber, local lingonberries,
Okay.
baked potatoes,
Nice.
smoked reindeer over there,
Oh my god.
and then glow-fried salmon. Absolutely the must.
Ooh, it's looking good. Thank you. It
Nice and
doesn't.
tender, very juicy.
Yeah. And it doesn't need any spices or anything because it's so.
It's in a natural way. This is
Yeah.
excellent.
Oh. Oops. Oops. Oh my god. You said it was just a little bit, but
But in a Lappish scale, this is a little bit.
okay.
In Lapland, everything is big.
Alles is hier groot.
Here in Pulloporo,
Yeah.
Crazy Reindeer, it's going to be very good band tonight. What do you say if we check that out?
Hey.
Een originele Finse après-ski party. En die doet veel vlotter aan dan veel aangelegenheden in de Alpen. Yeah, swing it out baby! Zo'n drankje kost wel wat trouwens, dankzij de wetgevers hier.